Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So in case it's your first time watching, hi, my name is Leslie. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy my content. I, like many of us, I guess, have this weird yet wonderful love and appreciation for luxury handbags and all the other pretty things. So this YouTube channel, this tiny little corner of the internet, is my creative outlet to talk about reviews, what's in my bags. I do shopping vlogs and the occasional haul in case I happen to buy something, which, if you've seen the thumbnail and the title of today's video, today is one of those days. This is going to be a haul, but I do a lot of other topics in case hauls are not for you. And yeah, I hope you stick around. I hope you enjoy my content, and if you do, please subscribe or consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, let's get started. So for my first proper sit-down video after my little YouTube hiatus, I thought I'd bring you up to speed in terms of changes and new additions to my luxury collection. So in today's video, I'm going to cover every single luxury item I purchased since, I want to say, like mid-September 2020. So what's that? 8 to 9 months. And we have a total of 7 items to go through. Obviously, that sounds like a lot, but at the end of the day, we're talking about a very long time frame. So in comparison to a lot of other people's shopping frequency, I feel like I didn't do too much damage, but I'll let you be the judge of that. So we have one handbag to go through, a couple of Hermès pieces, Chanel, and something from Valentino. So quite a good variety. And before I ramble on any further, let's start with the first item. So starting with the handbag, and by the way, I'm gonna go through the items in chronological order. So the first, or the oldest item basically, is this one right here. And yeah, it's a handbag, and I have a feeling it might be somewhat of a controversial one, or at least an item that some of you might not be that much of a fan of. And I'm talking about this beauty right here. So this is the Balenciaga City in the color ultraviolet with yellow gold hardware. And I know this is like very Olsen twins and Nicole Richie vibes, and in general a bag that is not too popular as of now, at least. I don't know, like back when I was an early teen, I just remember flicking through magazines and looking at all these it girls, I guess, with their super slouchy Balenciaga City bags. And although back then I had zero idea of designer bags or luxury brands in general, the Balenciaga City kind of spoke to me. But then once I started getting into designer items, the hype around the City bag had long died down, so I guess I just kind of forgot about it. But then sometime last year I came across Luxury Helsinki on Instagram. They also have an online shop, not sponsored by the way, they have literally no idea who I am. Anyway, they posted this beautiful ultraviolet piece, and somehow I just couldn't resist. The color makes me so happy, and in general I think purple tones are super underrated when it comes to handbags. I also own a MCM Mila in a pretty similar color, and I got such a good deal. I think with postage and shipping and everything, it came to 370 euros. I mean, for an all leather bag, pretty good condition. I'd say the only very minute kind of signs of wear is on the handle, but I think that's prone to happening with this like stitching or weaving kind of material, or whatever. It's not really noticeable. Plus it came with all the paperwork, and the original owner had purchased the bag on the Balenciaga website for, I think, 1,300 euros. So I got a really good deal, and every time I look at the bag and carry it, I don't know, I just smile, and it makes me so happy. And that's the end goal, actually, just to buy stuff you like, maybe not think too much about resale value and is it on trend or not. I appreciate the Balenciaga City in general is not for everyone, and especially in that kind of in-your-face pop of color. And also for me personally, when you compare it to the rest of my collection, it definitely stands out. Plus I'm usually more the type of girl to go for structured handbags, and I mean, this is stuffed right now. Sorry by the way in case it makes too much noise, but you can basically see it's It's the opposite of structured, but yeah, for some reason this bag makes me so happy. It's just such a fun and happy color. So the next item that made its way into my collection comes in a small orange box, and if you know your Hermès, you're definitely aware of what I'm talking about. And let me get it out of here. Yep, it's a Twilly. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the name of this Twilly design on the screen and in the description box, and I'm also gonna try to link to it on the Hermès website. That applies to all the items I'm mentioning, by the way. Did I need another Twilly? No, definitely not. I mean, I do have a couple, not an insane amount, but I guess too many Twillys for someone who doesn't really use them. I know that's bad, but I just really love the design with the Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe. Yeah, I just thought it's really cute. And one of the main reasons I bought this Twilly, besides it looking super cute, is that I thought the colors matched my Celine belt bag perfectly. It's like in a very light shade of blue, and yeah, I think the color combination is so pretty. Next in line in terms of the chronological order are actually the earrings that I'm wearing today. You'll see a close-up clip on the screen. These are from Valentino and I bought them on Luisa Via Roma, not sponsored, obviously. And I want to say I paid like 150 euros for them plus shipping. I was really surprised that the Valentino jewelry price tag, obviously we're talking about costume jewelry, but that the price tag is pretty okay-ish, I guess, especially when you compare them to Chanel earring prices or Dior costume jewelry items. So yeah, definitely check out Valentino earrings or Valentino jewelry in general. They have some really cute pieces that don't break the bank, and wear and tear wise also I'm pretty pleased with them. I've worn them pretty consistently because I just love the look of pearl earrings, obviously fake pearl earrings, but still I'm really happy with how they've been wearing and how they've been holding up. Plus, again, the price point was really good. So those were all the luxury items I bought from September through the end of 2020. And going into 2021, the first luxury item I bought is actually this necklace. Again, close-up clips will be on the screen. If you followed my channel and also if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that this piece holds kind of a special place in my heart because I actually already own the matching dangly Chanel anchor earrings, and both of these items are from the Métiers collection Paris Hamburg. And you might know that I'm actually located in Hamburg and I was born in Hamburg, so obviously this collection holds a very special place in my heart, and I'm in the ongoing process of hunting down a couple of more items from this collection, the necklace being one of them. So when I saw it pop up on Vestiaire Collective, I just couldn't resist. Now the thing is, I mentioned in a couple of my YouTube videos that I try to stay away from Chanel costume jewelry because especially 2018, 2019 were years where I went a little ham on the Chanel earring kind of front, and while I really love Chanel earrings and I wear them pretty often, I feel like the price tag is very, very steep. And if you add up my Chanel costume jewelry collection, and I don't even own that many pieces, that would easily buy you a handbag. And the overall idea is that I try to minimize my costume jewelry purchasing, but for obvious reasons I just had to make an exception for this beautiful piece. So yeah, really happy I found it on Vestiaire Collective. And as a matter of fact, Claire Chanel from I Am Choquette has the exact same necklace and the matching earrings, and yeah, I mean, I'm sure you know who she is. I just love her style, love her home and interior design, and obviously a handbag collection is just out of this world. Beautiful Chanel pieces, amazing Hermès pieces. I'm not at that level of buying bags yet, but yeah, in case you're not familiar with her channel, definitely check her out. I love her style. The next two items came in orange boxes. First one being this one, second one being this one. Let's start with this one in chronological order. Both of these were, okay, let's be honest, both of them were impulse purchases. Both of them were purchased on the Hermès website because back in March we were still in lockdown. Number one is this cutie right here. This is called the Hermès, obviously, mini Twilly Kelly ring, or some kind of other combination of those four words. So yeah, super cute, but I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't worn this or used it yet. I don't even know how I'm supposed to use it. I did find a video on Instagram, which I'm gonna link below, of someone turning the Kelly ring into a necklace. So super creative. I don't know, I might consider doing that too, because as I mentioned, I'm not really a Twilly wearer or user, and with this little hoop or loop thing, this is supposed to be worn in conjunction with the Twilly, either on your handbag or around your neck. Again, I don't really use my Twillys, I just love buying them. That's bad, I know that's bad, but I mean, yeah. I need to find a use for this cutie, but yeah, total impulse purchase. I'm not gonna even try to justify it. Yeah, it's just cute, and it didn't break the bank, so that's great too. And the second item, again, the box already tells you what it is. It's another Twilly. I know I mentioned that I'm not that big of a Twilly person, or at least I don't use the Twillys that I buy. And again, this was a complete impulse purchase, and similar to the previous item that I showed you, I guess Instagram kind of played a role into me deciding to buy it. With this one, neutral colors and Twillys are actually pretty rare or hard to find. At least that's what people say on Instagram and YouTube. So I thought if I ever happen to be offered my dream Birkin, or a Kelly in black, for example, for that matter, this Twilly would just look so beautiful and elegant. Oh, by the way, it's called Bride de Cour. Anyway, really love this design. Haven't worn the Twilly yet. I'm just lacking an Hermès bag in my collection, let's put it that way. But yeah, really happy to have gotten my hands on this, because there are other color combinations of this Bride de Cour design, but yeah, I just thought the white or like off-white, black and gold design is so pretty and elegant. And last but not least, my most recent luxury purchase is something I already talked about in my previous video, so I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description below. And yeah, I treated myself to my first pair of luxury sunglasses. I'm the type of girl who used to only buy like cheapo 20 bucks kind of sunglasses, but these were all over Instagram, and yeah, I guess Instagram made me buy them, but I also love the shape. I think this like butterfly, cat eye kind of sunglasses suit my face pretty well. So yeah, really excited to have finally bit the bullet and purchased my first expensive pair of sunglasses, and I'm really excited to wear them in the spring and summer months. So there you have it. Those were the 7 luxury items I bought since September 2020. Let me know what your favorite out of the items I showed you were. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on the Balenciaga City especially. I know it's not for everyone, but as I mentioned, sometimes it's just about whether or not a bag or a particular item brings you joy and yeah, gets you to smile, and that's definitely the case for that bag. And also let me know how you think I did shopping wise. I know 7 items sounds a lot, but again, we're talking about a pretty extensive time period, so I think I didn't do too much damage. Again, there are a couple of purchases that weren't really necessary, especially the Twillys, and yeah, I guess the mini Kelly Twilly ring too. But anyway, no one's perfect. Oh, okay, there's one additional thing I haven't shown you in this video, because it's somewhat of a big purchase and I thought it warranted a special and dedicated video, because this is something that I treated myself to for my birthday in March. Yeah, little hint, and if you follow me on Instagram, which by the way, feel free to check me out, it's Lesley Adina, you know what it is, and you know how much of a momentous moment that was for me to be purchasing, yeah, my first proper like fine jewelry piece. Obviously I do have the Cartier Trinity bracelet, but it's more of an entry-level price tag, whereas the item I hinted at, and I'm definitely gonna film a dedicated video in the near future, is definitely a very bigger purchase. So anyway, that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, it would mean the world to me if you gave this video a thumbs up. That would help me out so much in terms of the YouTube algorithm. Also, commenting really helps, so in case you have any thoughts or opinions to share, just drop them in the comments below. And please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks so much for spending some of your precious time with me, and until next time, bye!